you can find a product to sell on Amazon in just 5 minutes. And to prove it, let's start the timer. The first step is to go to Amazon.com, and Amazon will actually tell you what the most popularly searched items are on their website. All you have to do is start typing, and it will autocomplete with the most popular items. So if I type in A, it says that AirPods, Apple Watch, air fryer, those are the most popular things that people are searching for that start with the letter A. If I put B, we have backpack, baby wipes, Bluetooth speaker, and a few other things here. But one of the key secrets here is as you start typing other letters, it will give you other options. And so let's say I type in BE, we have Beats, beach umbrella, beach chair, bed frame. These are all things that I don't really want to sell. But down here, we have something called berberine. And I saw this, so I clicked on it, and I thought this was really interesting. And I didn't know what berberine was, but I looked at this first product here, so let's click on it. And you can actually find out how much any product on Amazon is making. This product's making over $1.2 million a month in sales. And you can find this out for free. All you have to do is download this Helium 10 Chrome extension, and it'll tell you how much any product on Amazon is making. But there's so many people selling berberine supplements, I don't want to sell the same exact product as everybody else. So what I did is I used this tool called Helium 10 that I was just talking about, and I do have the hookup with Helium 10. You can sign up for a free account by using the link down below in the description, or if you want to unlock all the features, I've got a coupon code. You can use the coupon code down below in the description to get a huge discount on this tool. So what you do, the way you use this tool to find products to sell on Amazon, we're going to go into Tools here, and we're going to click on the Magnet tool. And we're just going to type in to the Magnet tool, berberine, and we're going to hit Get Keywords. And we can see that people are searching berberine over 220,000 times per month. When there is something this popular with over 100,000 search volume, there's probably other related things that people are searching for. And that's what this tool gives you. It gives you over 5,000 related keywords. And keywords are just things that people are searching for in Amazon. And the secret to making money by selling products on Amazon is to understand that Amazon is just a search engine. People come here, they search for what they want to buy, and then Amazon gives them these search results here. And if you can get your product to the top of the search results like this guy did, you can make a ton of money. Obviously, they're making $1.2 million a year. So what we need to do is we need to find something that's a little less competitive, that's going to be easier for us to rank at the top of the search results for. So what I do is I sort this by the Magnet IQ score, and then I'll also come down here and I will, instead of just showing 50 results, let's show 150. And what we're going to do is we're going to go one by one and try to find things that people are searching for, a lot of people are searching for, where there's no results in Amazon. So this first one, it's Atrantil. I don't know what that is, but it looks like there's already some decent competition. I think it's some kind of a brand name. We don't want to sell that. These next couple are also brand names. Obviously, there's just berberine here with 220,000. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to go through this list. We see berberine supplement, but that's also going to be competitive. So we're going to go through this list and we're going to try to find something that a lot of people are searching for. That's the search volume right here. But when we go to Amazon, there is no product that exists for it. And boom, all the way on page 5, we see this, berberine tea. We have over 1,200 people per month searching for it. And when we go to Amazon and we look for it, there's no one actually selling berberine tea. There's a lot of berberine supplements, but if someone goes to Amazon, they search for berberine tea and they see all these options, they're not going to be happy with it. So what we can do is we can actually make a tea product that has berberine in it. And that's exactly what I did. I just launched today this product, berberine tea. And since I just launched it, it's not yet ranked in the top search results, but the goal for me is to get as many sales as possible for this product, berberine tea. And then if I do, it'll get ranked at the top of the search results. So every time that someone is searching for berberine tea, they'll see my product and they'll buy this product. There is a link in the description down below to this product, berberine tea. And over the next couple weeks, I'm going to be doing a video on every step of the process of creating this product, berberine tea. And this is exactly what I teach in my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Products Formula. There is a link to that down below in the description as well if you want to get on the wait list. And now I want to show you how I did product research and found a product that's making me over $10,000 in profit every single month. But before I do that, let me go over the criteria of things I look for in a product that I'm selling on Amazon. And make sure to smash the like button, because this is the most condensed down guide I could make on how to find a product to sell on Amazon. And you want to sell a product that's priced between $15 and $85. If you're selling a product for under $15, it's very hard to make a profit after all of the product cost, Amazon's fees, Amazon FBA, and all those other costs associated with it. If you're selling a product that's over $85, it's not an impulse buy, and people usually need to do more research, which means you're probably gonna get less sales. You also wanna ideally sell a product that's under 1 pound, because if it weighs over a pound, you're gonna have to pay more money for shipping. And you also wanna make sure that the product you're selling is gonna be easy to ship. And one of the last things I recommend is that it's consumable. It doesn't have to be, but if you're selling a consumable product, it means people are gonna reorder it every single month. Every time they're done eating it, drinking it, whatever it is, they're going to reorder it. It also means that it's gonna be harder for China to copy your product. Now, some of the products I sell are consumable, some aren't. This isn't a criteria. And I actually have an entire checklist of things that I look for that I'm gonna give to you for free. I actually have a free 8-hour Amazon FBA course that I'll give you later in this video. But now let me show you how I found a product that's currently making me over $10,000 profit per month. Again, I went to Helium 10 and I went to this magnet tool and I typed in something that I was interested in. I was interested in the carnivore diet. I actually tried it out. I don't necessarily recommend it, but I tried it out. And I used this tool to see that over 11,000 people per month are searching for a carnivore diet. I sorted the results by the Magnet IQ score. I came down here and I changed the rows per page to 150. And I went one by one through this list until I found an item that people were searching for on Amazon, but there was no product that yet existed. So I was going through this entire list and it was somewhere around here, I believe, I saw carnivore electrolytes, and 3,600 people per month are searching for this. And when I went to Amazon and I searched for it, this is actually my product right here. You can see it's doing over 500 sales a month. If you do them, it's actually more than that. It was 600 in the last month. Maybe I'll put up a screenshot here. But if you do the math, it's around $20,000 in revenue, and we have about a 50% profit margin. It's pretty crazy. But I saw that there was no other products that were really geared towards the carnivore diet. This has sugar in it. These have like artificial flavors in it. You can't drink these on the carnivore diet. So the only product that's made for the carnivore diet, when people type in carnivore electrolytes, is my product. So that resulted in me making over $10,000 per month. Again, I teach this method much more in depth in my Amazon FBA program. There is a link to that down below, but if you're not ready yet to join this complete Amazon FBA program, I have a free 8-hour Amazon FBA course for you. You can click right here to get that free Amazon FBA course. There's also a link in the description to sign up for the free version of this course, and it'll include some different checklists and stuff like that. But check out that 8-hour free video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.